So let's make friendship band without glue. Hello creatives, welcome to my channel. Today we make this beautiful friendship band. So let's start it. First we take any color paper. I can take red and yellow color paper. Now mark and make the lines 1 into 9 centimeter. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We share creative shots like this. I can also make same lines and mark in yellow paper. Now it's time to cut. And you can see this type of paper strips. Now look at carefully. Take a one paper strip, fold in middle. Now op- now opens once and fold one side to other side and second side to middle side. And you can see this type of paper. I can also recap once more. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and also like. Let's make same things in old papers. Now we can make this type of pattern. Let's start. Take two strips and inside one strip to other strip like this. Now follow the same process and it's done. Our paper friendship band is ready. We cannot use any glue to make this. I can also make one more friendship band but different in pattern, but process are same. So comment me which one is better. Now it's your turn to make and share your friendship band made photo on Instagram. Instagram ID link in the description. Thanks for watching my video and all. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.